Oh, I see this stuff laying around here on this table, and some of it you don't know what it is. This is a windbreak. Is what this is. And if I'm frying fish somewhere on the riverbank, and I got wind, I can wrap her up, baby. This little notch goes down. I'm sorry. And that's for your gas to come in, whichever way you've got your stuff positioned. These are aluminum and they're cheap and they're well worth it. I got a couple of them. And if you up underneath the tarp in the rain and it's a little wind blowing, and it's gonna be some wind blowing, it's nice to have something to keep that, because the wind is your enemy and your friend. It will eat your fire up, and it will make cooking a pain in the ass. So you need a windbreak. That's what that's for. That's why that's laying there. Otaka, my brothers and sisters, and we do appreciate y'all watching. We really do. More content coming. Otaka from the woods.